cured with this lead in 30 seconds. And it can be totally cured already.
Just 30 seconds?
30 seconds. Oxygenating base. With all your application, you need to use oxygenating first. Take a bit, offload in the middle, and now try to cover zone 2 to zone 1. Seal it. This is the one we are calling flat application. Scrape your brush, and I have this gel, in there. So with that gel, I try to work into the entire nail. So this is the flat application that we are calling in your manual. But then with your flat application, I don't want very thin and I don't want very thick. It needs to be enough application only. I will not cure my flat application. Now I'm gonna scrape my brush again. This is now the reinforced application that we are calling. So I will clean my brush. I have product there again. And I will use my nail art brush to bring it all in the middle. In this case, I am pulling the product that I had here into zone 2. Okay? Because I need to protect zone 2. This is the stress area of the nail. So I'm gonna pull it. I will start in the middle. On the other side. And other side. And let the gel to work by itself. Wherever it needs to cover, the gel will go wherever it needs to cover with the hair nail. Let's say her nail is empty in here, or she had an uneven nail plate here. So it will just level by itself. It will go wherever it needs to go. Yeah? Now cure it. So flat application, don't cure. And then reinforced application. Reinforced application will not work if your flat application is cured. It will not move at all. Yeah?
We will make only reinforcement if there's something damaged, or
you can always do reinforced also for you to protect you. Yeah? Because some clients, once they thought that they have this gel, they will think that they are very, very strong, they can use with everything. So also to protect yourself, you need to do reinforce in all the application.
First zone, second zone, and then start with sealing, and then
and then entire nail application.
Third zone, and then drag down, and then put again in the free edge, and then
reinforce. Now again, cleanser. So before the color application, I'm gonna cleanse the nail. Yeah? I will cleanse the base. So check if your application is even. If it's even, then go straight with your color.
If not even, what we will do?
If it's not even, what you will do is buff it with your orange buffer. If it's not that, if the application, if the problem is not that thick, then you can only fix it with your gray buffer, orange buffer. But then if it's a little bit thick, then you can use, let's say it's more thicker here, you can use your thin black file, yeah? And then finish it with your orange buffer.
And then cleanse and put color.
Yeah. Since I don't need to do what is this, to fix it, I will just go straight with my color application. So again, I will offload my product in the middle, yeah? Applying zone 1 to zone 2. Seal it. Why do I seal it before applying in entire nail? If I will seal it at the end, what will happen? You will have an even application here in the tips. That's why I always seal my tips in the middle, yeah? And now I'm gonna scrape it work with that gel into the entire nail. Go as close as you can. If I want to go as close as I can in her cuticle line. So I will not go straight into her cuticle. What I will do, I will just go a bit closer and then I will push close to the cuticle, the gel. So I will go a bit closer now. I will just push slowly closer to the cuticle. I will go as close as I can but without touching the skin. The same thing on the side, just pull the skin on the side and then so you can go as close as you can on her side wall. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. Before curing it, I will check if my application if I did not touch the skin or the cuticle, yeah? Because once you cured it, you cannot do anything anymore. So before curing it, you need to fix the problem. So let's say I touch a little bit here, I will clean it and then cure. So make sure that you remove the gel, whatever is excess in the skin before curing it. Cure it for 30 seconds.
There's adjustment. No? There's a fixed time.
It's only 30 seconds. You don't need to press this one, it's automatic, yeah? So let's say you will do a full set. How you will do your application? You work with one nail, cure, and while curing you are working with on the other hand, yeah? So we need to apply it one after the other. Some they thought it takes a lot of time to do that, but no. Why do we work like that? Some application, some gel they will apply full nail. What happened on their application? It will get uneven. Why? Because the nail, the gel is moving. That's why we recommend you to do it one after the other, so you will have a smooth and even application. Again in zone 2. So everything is the same application. You will always offload your product into the middle, yeah? Apply zone 2 to zone 1. Lock. Seal it. Scrape your brush. With that gel, I will work into the entire nail application.
Меня учили вообще 3 просто. 3.
Inside.
У них другая техника.
Hindi siya na-touch.
Я так понимаю,
It would be alternate.
You need to do it one after the other. Because sometimes if you will, let's say you apply all here. After you're done in this one, in these two nail already move. So what you will do, you will try to fix it again. Yeah? You will try to pull it again. So what happened is you're taking more time to fix that one. If, not like when you are doing, you will just go straight into the light. Yeah. Now my last application is the gloss. I will not clean, yeah? I will go straight with my gloss. We have two types of gloss. We have the matte. So if the client will ask for the matte top coat, you can offer also matte top coat.
The same procedure with applying the...
Yeah, same procedure, okay? Offloading in the middle.
нормально будет дальше.
Scrape.
Не очень. Да, это очень не дает вчерашний.
Inside.
Надо это попробовать.
Thirty seconds cure.
This is your cotton
Nail wipes. This is the nail wipes. This is the full nail wipe, so I cut it into 4 only. At least you can save. Yeah, you don't need this big one. You see.
Эти тоже хорошие.
So wait for a few seconds to cool down, so the shine will not the nail will not look dull. Wait for a few seconds to cool it down, and cleanse it with your nail cleanser. So using the nail cleanser is what? Before the application of the gel,
And after.
after curing the, what is this? The base, before color application, and then top coat. Yeah. So this is how I want you to do your application.